Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the ignore repeated touches time duration on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, swipe up and go down. In here, tap on accessibility. Then go down and tap on interaction and dexterity. Next, go down and tap on ignore repeated touches. Then tap on the switch at the top to turn it on. At the bottom here, you can tap on the minus to increase. So tap on the minus to decrease, or on the plus button to increase the time duration. You can also tap on the test button at the bottom to test it out. So if you kind of having a shaky hand, you can see that if I tap on it multiple times, it will not register until a moment later. And that's it. That's how you can turn on or turn off ignore repeated touch, and how you can change the ignore repeated touches time duration. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.